Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Syllabus Class 6 Social Science Geography Chapter 9 Europe, Peninsula of Asia. If you want the notes of other lessons of social science or any other subject, you can check the playlist of my channel and you can easily get from there. Question number 1. What is the geographical location of Europe? Answer. Europe lies between 10 degree west and 60 degree east longitude and from 36 degree north to 72 degree north latitude. Question number 2. Europe is known as Peninsula of Asia. Why? Answer. Europe is a peninsula of Asia. Water bodies surround Europe on the three sides. To the north is the Barents Sea, to the west is the Atlantic Ocean, and to the south is the Mediterranean Sea. Question number 3. Name the physiographic divisions of Europe. Answer. The physiographic division of Europe based on topography are the northwestern highlands, the North European plains, the central uplands, the southern mountains. Question number 4. Mention the names of important mountains and peaks in Europe. Answer. Galdhøpiggen, 2,469 meters in Norway, is the highest peak in northern Europe. The Ben Nevis, 1,343 meters in Scotland, and the Snowdon, 1085 meters in Wales are the other peaks. They are also known as the Alpine mountain system. It includes several mountains, the Sierra Morena in Spain as well as Pyrenees, which form the boundaries between France and Spain. Mount Blanc is the highest peak, 4,807 meter in the Alps. Question number 5. What are the major climatic regions of Europe? Answer. Europe can be divided into 4 climatic regions. Maritime Northwest Europe, continental climate, Mediterranean climate, mountainous climate. Mention the major types of natural vegetation of Europe. Europe has 6 types of vegetation: tundra vegetation, taiga forest, mixed forest, Mediterranean vegetation, grassland, alpine vegetation. Name the countries which are famous for dairying in Europe. Dairying is greatly developed in Denmark, the Netherlands, Switzerland, Germany and Britain. But Denmark is more important for dairying. The European countries export their dairy products, example cheese, condensed milk, butter, chocolate, etc. What are the staple of food crops of Europe? Answer. Wheat, maize, sugar beet, potatoes, fruits. Mention the major fishing grounds in Europe. Answer. The main fishing grounds are near northwest Europe. They extend from northern part of Arctic Circle to Mediterranean Sea. The most intensively fishing region is the North Sea, and the countries include Norway, Britain, Denmark, Sweden and Germany. The 2 most famous fishing grounds of the North Sea are the Dogger Bank and the Great Fisher Bank. Mention the important minerals in Europe. Answer. Copper, iron ore, coal, bauxite and potash. So this is all about your notes of social science class 6 lesson Europe, Peninsula of Asia. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.